share, and even to learn. Creating an Instagram account is as easy as pie, and the benefits are countless. From sharing your life's moments to exploring your interests, the possibilities are endless. So, ready to join the Instagram community? Well, then you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll have your own Instagram account. Before you start, make sure you have a valid email address or mobile number. This is crucial as it forms the foundation of your Instagram account. Think of a username that truly embodies you or your brand, something unique and memorable. Your password, on the other hand, should be strong and secure to ensure your account stays safe. It's like building a house. You wouldn't want a weak foundation, would you? Once you have these details ready, you're all set to create your Instagram account. Now let's dive into the process of setting up your Instagram account. The first step is to download the Instagram app. You can do this by visiting the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Instagram and hit the Install button. Once the app is installed on your device, open it up. You'll see the Sign Up button on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter either your email address or mobile number. Both work fine, so choose the one that suits you best. After entering your email or phone number, you'll need to create a username. Make it something unique and reflective of your personality. Next, create a secure password. Remember, it should be something you can recall easily, but hard for others to guess. Finally, hit Next. And there you have it, your Instagram account is all set up. Now that you have an Instagram account, it's time to get familiar with it. The heart of Instagram lies in its 5 main features. Starting with the home page, this is where you'll see posts from the people and pages you follow. Next, we have the search page, a hub for discovering new content and accounts. The central button is your gateway to sharing, enabling you to upload photos and videos straight from your device. Moving on, you'll find the notifications page. Here you'll see likes, comments, and new followers as they happen. Lastly, the profile page is your personal space on Instagram, where you can view your posts, saved content, and edit your profile information. Engaging with Instagram is as simple as following other accounts and posting your own photos or videos. Just tap the plus icon, select your content, add a caption, and you're set. And with that, you're now ready to dive into the world of Instagram. Enjoy exploring and connecting with others around the globe.